we are studying the cell organelle, that is mitochondria. In this, we are going to study about the introduction, then morphology, structure, uh, chemical composition, and the functions. Last time we studied about the introduction and the morphology. Now we are going to study about the structure. The ultrastructure of the mitochondria have been studied under the इलेक्ट्रॉन मायक्रोस्कोप. म्हणजे ही स्ट्रक्चर डोळ्यांना दिसत नाही आहे, त्यासाठी इलेक्ट्रॉन मायक्रोस्कोप खाली हे ऑब्झर्वेशन केलं जाते. सो दिस स्टडी, that is the ultrastructure study, reveals that the length of the typical mitochondria is 15,000 angstrom unit and the diameter is about 5,000 angstrom units. The membrane is bounded by the mitochondria is bounded by two unit membranes, namely the outer and the inner mitochondrial membranes. Each membrane is about 60 angstrom unit in thickness. That is, outer membrane is about 60 angstrom unit and inner is also 60 angstrom units. These two membranes, that is outer and inner membranes, are separated by a space about 60 angstrom to 80 angstrom units. The space between the outer and inner mitochondrial membrane is called outer chamber or intermembrane space. This space is filled with a watery fluid of low viscosity and density, and it is rich in coenzymes. The central space of mitochondria, which is bounded by the inner chamber, is called the inner chamber or inner membrane space. The inner membrane or space or the inner chamber is filled with the mitochondrial matrix, which contains filamentous material or dense granules, ribosomes, and mitochondrial DNA. These granules consist of insoluble inorganic salts and are considered to be the binding sites of divalent ions like magnesium and the calcium. The enzymes of the Krebs cycle are also located in the matrix. The mitochondrial membrane gives out certain finger-like projections into the inner chamber known as cristae mitochondriales. You see here the electron microscopic structure, that is the mitochondria is made up of two membranes, that is outer membrane and this is inner membrane, and in between these two there is a space and that is called as the outer chamber and this one is the inner chamber. So this inner membrane gives foldings and this is nothing but cristae, and this bears the elementary particles, and this is a mitochondrial matrix. So this consists the ribosomes, DNA, then calcium, magnesium, etc. So, in this matrix, the cavity of the cristae is called the intercristae space. It is found to be continuous with the intermembrane space. The electron microscope has revealed the presence of thousands of very small particles which adhere to the outer surface of the outer membrane and inner surface of the inner membrane. The particles of the inner membrane are stalked, and these are called elementary particles or F1 particles or oxysomes or electron transport particles, that is ETP. The particles of the membrane, that is outer membrane, are stalkless. म्हणजे जी इनर मेम्ब्रेन आहेत, इनर मेम्ब्रेन सरफेसला जी अटॅच आहेत एलिमेंटरी पार्टिकल्स, ती कशी आहेत, स्टॉक्ड आहेत. आणि बाहेरच्या बाजूला जी अटॅच झालेली एलिमेंटरी पार्टिकल्स आहेत, दे आर स्टॉकलेस. The stalked particles of the inner membrane are involved in hydrogen transport. You see here, that is the electron microscopic study of the single crystal. You see here the outer chamber, that is in between space, that is outer membrane and inner membrane. These are the particles. You see here, these are the F1 particles and these are the outer particles. The F1 particles consist, खालच्या बाजूचं काय बेस आहे, मधलं स्टॉक आहे आणि वरच्या बाजूचं हेड आहे. आता ह्यांचं साईज किती आहे, दॅट इज बेस 80 angstrom units, head is also 80 angstrom unit, and stock that is about 50 angstrom unit. सगळे मिळून किती झालं, दॅट इज अबाउट 160 angstrom unit. And the distance between these two F1 particles is about 100 angstrom units. Each stalked particle or elementary particle contain all the enzymes for electron transport and oxidative phosphorylation. The outer membrane particles previously were studied to be hollow particles or cylinders, the length of about 60 angstrom unit. The width is about 60 angstrom unit, and the diameter of the central hole is about 20 angstrom units. These particles were thought to contain the enzymes of the Krebs cycle. However, it has been shown that the enzymes of the Krebs cycles are located in the matrix of the mitochondria.